Hi, this is Andrew. Now, have you used video as your marketing today? Now, if you have not used video or you would like to use more video to help you promote your business, then watch this video till the end. I have been using video marketing since last year because of the COVID situation. So I got nothing to do. So I just started to play. Now, before that, I do video, but it's like once in a while. And in 2020, when I have more time, actually, I started to create more videos, like 2 videos in a week. Yeah. So now it's getting more and more. And I've been seeing a lot of leads coming from this video. So now in this video, I'm going to share with you what's the benefits and how you can use video to market your business as well. Now, first thing, you can use video to introduce yourself. Yeah, if you're a personal brand, right? Like I'm a consultant, so personal brand to me is quite important. So if you're a personal brand like coaches, trainers, consultants, so these are very important as a personal brands. So you need to use video to be able to introduce yourself. Now, if you're a small business, you're not building your personal brand, but you can use video to build your company, your organization brand, or your product brand. So how do you introduce your brand? The most important thing is that you want people to aware that you exist and what do you stand for. So there's a lot of things you can use video, like for example, tell the story, how you started this business, and tell a story, what your brand stands for, yeah, why you exist, and who do you serve, and what kind of service or products do you provide to your community, and why they should choose you. So this is all about personal branding as well as your company brand or products brand. Now you can write an article, but today more and more people would like to watch a video rather than to read an articles. So that is why you can see that in videos like YouTube, so more and more young people would actually spend more time watching YouTube than TV, right? TikTok, short videos, and short videos is growing like crazy. You look at TikTok or Douyin in China, as well as today, YouTube is going into short video, they call it shorts, as well as Instagram, they call it Reels. Those are all short videos to actually come out and compete with TikTok. Now, this shows that there's a high demand for short videos. Now, second way you can use video is to do a product demonstration. So what you do is that you just get someone in front of the camera, you just show step by step how to use your products. Now, if you want to show face or doesn't want to show face, it's totally up to you how you want to plan your video. So just go to YouTube and you can see there's a lot of product reviews. In fact, it's actually like step by steps how to use the products. So if you don't want to do the demonstration yourself, you can hire someone to do it, or you can hire an influencer in your particular market niche to help you do the product demonstration. Third is that you can use video to show your expertise. People like to buy from experts. So if you can create a video, like I'm creating this video to help you to show that I know how to do it and share some of the things to help your business grow or to help you to become a better entrepreneur. So this is my way to show my expertise as well as I create value for my potential clients. Now, through these videos, you can get to know me, and then you can follow my YouTube channel. And then when you need my services or my products, then you will come to me because you can remember me, you see. So this is one way that you can create a video to show your expertise and create value for your potential client. Now, by the way, if you have not subscribed to this channel, do subscribe because every week we will publish online business tips to help you grow your business. All right, number 4 is you can use this to announce for product launching, yeah, new product introduction, MPI. So before you launch, you can create videos to create a hype. Now you can see all this, especially in movies industries, right? Before the movie is released in the theater, they first release the trailers. So, and then they will get people to share the trailers and it go viral before the so-called movie is released in the theater. So that way people will know and get ready to buy the tickets when the movie is launched. Now, the fifth one is you can share your customer testimonials as well. So if you can get the customers to record a short video, a couple of seconds, maybe 5-10 seconds, to tell your potential clients about how they feel about your product or services, and people like to see what people think of your product and services. So this is one way for you to share your customer testimonials. Now, there are many other ways, right? I will create other videos to share to you, but these are the 5 ways which is commonly being done right now in a lot of big companies who use video marketing. Start, take action and create your videos using these 5 ideas. I want to challenge you to take actions right now to create your own videos using these ideas. Now, I know creating video is not easy. Don't be a perfectionist. Just record it, and it may not be perfect, but you will learn how to improve as you take actions. I would love to hear from you what is actually stopping you from creating your own videos. So what is your problems? What is the challenges that you face? So that I can create more content to help you create the video that can help you promote your business or products. So if you like this video, I would appreciate a thumbs up, and please share to your friends who may need it. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, do click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that every time when we publish, you will be notified. And meanwhile, here's some of the videos that I created to help you build your business online.